Hey everyone, I'm just letting you know that I'm changing the channel name. I'm going to change it to Social Carcoholic because, well, I like talking about cars and I like showing off other people's cars and what their story is and, the video of me doing stuff with cars every now and again. So today we're going to check out my friend Beau's first classic car. It's British, it's sleek, it's loud, and a whole lot of fun. So sit back, buckle up, and enjoy the ride.
Hi, I'm Beau, and this is my 1970 Triumph Spitfire.
At the time, it seemed like all my friends had cool cars, and I was like, I want something too. I want something that I can call my own. The brakes, everything in here is manual. There's no like brake assistance, there's no power steering, and you notice that immediately. Once you get up to speed, it's okay. The steering, because it's a nice small car, so it's light, but even the brakes, you gotta like really stomp on them to get some feedback. Yeah, the first major kind of outing it had was just this past September. We went to the big British car show. So that was kind of the challenge, to get a bunch of what was wrong with the car right for the show to drive it down. So I kind of chronicled all that, the build up to that point. And then I did a little driving video down to the show. So that was the first big milestone. Originally, these wheels would have been the Steely wheels. I saw a set of these on Facebook Marketplace. It was a used set. They were like home done, just spray paint white. The thing with these is you need to get a hub if you want the center lock. So I just used the ones that came with the wheels. And I had never done center locks before. All the teeth on them that I found out later were worn down too much. And then we were driving down the road, tried to brake, and the wheels kept rolling. Oof, it was so bad, this grinding sound. So I learned my lesson. I was like, okay, buy new stuff. And I did. So I bought new hubs, and then I got these ones powder coated. My idea for the black wheels was from another car that I saw. It had a cool interior and black wheels, so I kind of want to copy that down the road. So this is a 4-speed, 4-cylinder engine. This one is the 1.3 variant. It's the one that came with the single carburetor. So I think at the time that it was released, there were the new laws about emissions. So originally, it was not great. I've been trying to find little power upgrades where I can. Gone is the stock exhaust manifold, and I got some headers. Next upgrade, I want to put the dual SU carburetors on there, so that should also up the performance a bit, make it more lively. The exhaust was a rush job, to be honest. Another friend was like, hey, I want to write a story for, I think it was Haggerty, and it's like, I want to do it about British cars and young people, so can we get your car in this? I'm like, yeah, sure, let's do this. So me and my friend Alex, we went to Part Source. Hey, let's just find something. And that's what we did. We found like one of those off-the-shelf exhaust. I just found some tubes that connected to the headers, and that's what it was. This janky looking thing. I kind of wanted a side exhaust. That'll change though. after having lived with it for a bit, it has served its purpose. It's cool, but we all mature, right? We want finer things. Having this car has been a really good overall experience, just learning to do stuff on your own. It's kind of nice, you're not having to rely on like a shop who might overcharge you. But also like just making other friends from a whole different community, right? Car community. Like I never thought that I'd have a good friend like in the West Coast and then a bunch of people here, and then it's like, what? But I don't know. That's kind of one of the cool things about cars. You just meet so many different people. And yeah, this is only the beginning. More cars to come soon.
So that was Beau's 1970 Spitfire. I never looked at these cars twice before, other than the fact that there's just a super tiny British car. But after doing a bit of research, seeing track versions of them and restored examples, street modified versions, I get why people like these things, especially being from the small car club myself. Could you see yourself in one of these things? What do you think would be an easy classic car to get into as your first? Let me know what you think in the comments. I'm Coho. You've been watching Social Carcoholic, and see you in the next one. Peace.